Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel for the review of the Golden Beard's Big Sur beard oil. Yes, Golden Beard sent me this in as part of their beard starter kit for review, and I'm just going through reviewing individually, and then I will end with a beard kit review. Excuse me. Now then, the Big Sur beard oil, like all their oils, is a blend of jojoba, argan and apricot carrier oils, which are organic, and it's a nice blend. It left my beard feeling softer, looking healthy. All in all, quite happy with the results. A medium consistency, nice golden beard oil there. Now then, the scent Big Sur is lavender, patchouli and lime. And I said in the beard balm that I struggled a little bit. It smelled a little bit, antiseptic. Now then, as always is the way in a beard oil, those scents are a little bit brighter. You get a better feel for those scents in an oil. And, you know, I love all of these oils, these essential oils separately. The lavender, you know, the floralness, and the patchouli was sweet and slightly earthy, kind of muskiness almost to it, and the fresh citrus lime. But for me, this isn't working. I feel like the lime is out of place. It really is. I just feel like it's not right in this blend. But of course, you know, this is my personal opinion. It's just, for me, not sitting well. It's not sitting right in there. You've got that beautiful lavender and patchouli is working really well, and the lime then comes in afterwards, and it's just alien to the blend for me. But there you go. As I say, my opinion, I expect many will like it. You just got to be honest, haven't you? Now then, it's a 30ml or 1 ounce, which is just under 30ml, isn't it? Beard oil. It will cost you £15 from goldenbeards.com. I am going to give it a 90 out of 100. I have really struggled with that scent. And in the beard balm, as I said, I thought, well, it's a little bit antiseptic, but in here I can just tell that it's just not sitting right for me. There you go, 90 out of 100, still not bad. Nice oil. I would say you're not going to be disappointed. Many of you will probably like the scent. It's just this old boy here's a little bit fussy. Don't forget to like the review, subscribe to the old channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care.